Hi guys, my name is Bianca Ocean Lemore. On June 15th of 2023, I dropped dead of a heart attack. My daughter resuscitated me, and then she waited for the ambulance to take me into the hospital. As they were performing surgery on me, the doctors could not figure out why I had a heart attack. I was not the typical person to have a heart attack. When I recovered, and the doctors finally did figure it out, come to find out it was a blood clot that formed after I had a hysterectomy. Nobody informed me that blood clots are a very typical side effect of hysterectomies. So I didn't see any signs. I didn't have any kind of pointers that would say, hey, you know what, you might have a heart attack. It just happened. Thankfully, I was prepared. I was one of those people always thinking, oh, what do I need insurance? I'm young, I'm healthy. I don't eat fried foods. I don't drink sodas. I take less than 10 grams of sugar a day. That's the most I allow on my body. I don't do anything unhealthy. I exercise. I'm active. And yet here we were. For 2-3 months I was not able to work. Had no income. So if these unthinkable things happen, and they happen as I am living proof, we need to be prepared. Don't wait until it's too late. Insurance is not something that you get just for, when you die. It is also something that benefits you whilst you're still living. A lot of people don't think that way. Let me educate you, let me help you, and let me inform you of what all a life insurance policy can do for you. And not just that, we have other things too that can help you. So please don't hesitate. Reach out to me with any questions. I'll always give you a very transparent, informative, sincere, and honest answer. That I can promise.